Welcome back to CarWow 787, your premier destination for in-depth automotive reviews and the latest industry insights. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the all-new 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw, a vehicle that promises to redefine urban transportation by blending traditional auto rickshaw convenience with modern design and functionality. Let's dive into the details of this innovative vehicle. Introduction to the 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw. Tata Motors has long been a pioneer in the Indian automotive industry, consistently delivering vehicles that cater to the diverse needs of the market. The 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw is a testament to Tata's commitment to innovation and adaptability. This vehicle aims to bridge the gap between traditional three-wheeler auto rickshaws and larger passenger vehicles, offering a unique solution for urban mobility. The 2026 Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw boasts a contemporary design that reflects Tata's premium tough design philosophy. The front fascia features a sleek grille adorned with the Tata logo, flanked by integrated wraparound daytime running lights with full LED technology. The monocoque body structure not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetics but also contributes to car-like comfort and improved safety. The compact dimensions ensure easy maneuverability in congested urban areas, making it an ideal choice for city transportation. Measuring approximately 45-20 mm in length, 1940 mm in width, and 20-50 mm in height, the Winger offers a spacious interior without compromising on maneuverability. The 165 million ground clearance ensures it can handle various road conditions with ease. The 7-seater configuration is designed to provide ample space for passengers, making it ideal for both short commutes and longer journeys. Inside, the Winger is equipped with features aimed at enhancing passenger comfort. The vehicle includes power steering, front power windows, and air conditioning as standard. The seats are ergonomically designed with adequate cushioning to ensure comfort during long journeys. The spacious cabin layout allows for ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Additionally, the vehicle offers various utility spaces such as cup holders, storage pockets, and a glove box for passenger convenience. Under the hood, the Winger is powered by a 2.2-liter Dicor BS6 Phase 2 diesel engine, delivering 74.8 kd, approximately 135 pounds at 3750 RPM. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a balance between power and fuel efficiency. The monocoque body structure, combined with McPherson strut coil spring suspension with a wishbone-type setup, ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven urban roads. Safety is a priority in the 2026 Winger. The vehicle is equipped with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, to prevent wheel lockup during sudden braking. The monocoque body structure enhances crash protection by distributing impact forces more effectively. Additionally, features like front fog lights and adjustable headlights improve visibility in various driving conditions. While specific fuel efficiency figures for the 2026 model are yet to be announced, previous iterations of the Winger have demonstrated respectable fuel economy. The combination of the Dicor engine and efficient transmission is expected to offer competitive mileage, making it a cost-efficient choice for both personal and commercial use. The Winger is equipped with modern technological features to enhance the driving experience. The vehicle includes a digital instrument cluster providing essential information at a glance. Connectivity options such as USB ports and Bluetooth enable passengers to stay connected and entertained during their journeys. The Tata Winger 7 auto rickshaw positions itself as a versatile vehicle suitable for urban transportation, small business operations, and family use. Its main competitors include models like the Mahindra Supro and Force Traveler, which also cater to the minivan segment. However, the Winger's compact design, modern features, and Tata's reputation for durability give it a competitive edge. As of now, Tata Motors has not officially announced the pricing for the 2026 Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw. However, it is expected to be competitively priced to appeal to a broad customer base. Availability is anticipated in major markets across India, with potential plans for international distribution in select regions. Early reviews of the 2025 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw have been positive, with users praising its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and modern features. The vehicle's versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from family outings to commercial transport. Users have also appreciated the improved design and build quality compared to previous models. The 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw is poised to make a significant impact in the urban transportation market. With its blend of modern design, robust performance, and a host of comfort and safety features, it offers a compelling option for those seeking a reliable and versatile vehicle. Whether for personal use or business purposes, the Winger stands out as a practical and stylish choice. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive overview of the 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to Tata Rick for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.